Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a test order on your Shopify store. First thing that you should do is to simply open your Shopify, log in into your account, and after that, you should now go to discounts and click on create discount. After that, you can choose between order discount or shipping discount. I'm gonna make one for each, so I'm gonna click on order discount first, then make sure that you have here this option percentage, then I'm gonna add here 100. And now here I should type any code that I actually need. So here in my case, I'll type GG15, all right? Then scroll down, make sure that you have this all customers, no minimum requirements. And if you want to make this discount limited, just click on limit number of times, then enter here the time that you actually need. But here in my case, I will not actually limit it. And here for the combination, you can simply check them all just in order to be able to combine any other discounts with it. And now choose the active dates. You can set a start date and set an end date, but here in my case, I'll just leave it like this. Then I'm going to click on save discount and now go back, click on this arrow. And here I have a discount for the order. Now let's create another one. Click on create discount, then click on free shipping. I'm gonna make this only for free shipping. And now here, I'll type here another code. Let's make it GG16, for example. Then set all these options as displayed right here. Now go to click on save discount and go back and now try to go and open your store. So I'm gonna click on this I sign beside my store and now go and find any product. Here I have this small book right here. You just have to click on it, then click on buy now. And now here it will show you the checkout page. You just have to add the discount code right here, then click on apply and fill in all these information. And once you apply the two codes, it will not actually ask you for payment methods. So here, as you can see, it says that your order is free and no payment is required. After that, you can simply click on complete order and the order will be shipped to you. And now this is how we can actually do a test order. If you want to cancel the order anytime, you just have to go to orders and you'll find it right here. Just cancel it and it will be canceled immediately. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.